Hello, you're welcome to another section of news events, and today we're looking at three key news events, which is the OPEC meeting, the Kazim Service Performance Managers Index, and the Fed Open Market Committee meeting minutes. Now, looking at these three key news events, what are we expecting? First of all, this news event actually has to do with two currency, the Chinese yuan and the US dollar. The OPEC meeting. The OPEC meeting, was the expectation for the OPEC meeting is production cut. We'll be looking at if production cut will be announced. I think that would most likely not be, because US does not want an increase in the price of oil as at the moment due to the Ukraine-Russia war. So we'll be looking at for production cuts, but I don't think production cuts will be announced, but let's watch and see. Then next we have the Kazan Service Performance Managers Index, and this is already out as of now, and the value is, the forecasted was 56.2, but the actual was 53.9. So this indicates that the Chinese yuan is not doing well as at the moment. Indicate that the Chinese yuan is not doing well as at the moment, and this will have a negative impact on the Chinese yuan. So expect today that, okay, if you are to trade, watch out for going short on the Chinese yuan if you are trading Chinese yuan. Then next we have the Fed Open Market Committee meeting minutes. Now this minutes actually, this is also called the Form C meeting minutes. Now this minutes, the report of this minutes is going to directly impact the dollar. If it's in line with the market expectation, then it's going to boost the value of the dollar. The last time I think it boosted the dollar with up to about 400 basis points. But anyway, for this event, we literally can't tell which direction it's going to go, if it's in favor. But let's look at something which you watch out for. Currently, there is pressure on the Fed to reduce inflation. So we're going to see what the Fed is going to do regarding this event. If they're going to be convincing, if it's going to be convincing, because the market will want to see how the Fed strategically want to reduce inflation. As at the moment, the Fed is sticking to not reducing interest rates. But let's watch out and see how things plays out. Thank you. That's all I have for you today.